good night everyone. So I've done already, I take shower already and wash my face. Actually, talagang I feel very, very sad of my nails everyone because I murdered my nails. Actually, this is happening to me many times already because I use thick nails all the time, long nails all the times, and then alam niyo yung tendency talaga pag mahaba yung kuko mo, talagang lalo pag hindi maayos yung pagdikit ng glue on your nails, and then pag nauntog ang sakit or pag natanggal yung glue at lumuwag yung adjustment ng thick nails mo, talagang may tendency talaga na magkaroon talaga ng mga pasa yung kuko mo, and this is happen to me all the time. But ang tingin ko this one everyone, when I'm using the Biscoat and then using the LED, siguro and then manipis na yung kuko ko, nadamihan ko yung Biscoat and then napasok siguro siya sa ilalim and then nauntog siya. So this is what happened also. Actually, this one also everyone, but not much talaga, not like this one talaga. So talagang this is happening of my nails. I feel so sad of my nails and it's so pain. Talagang ang sakit talaga. So talagang on the first talaga na hindi ko nung hindi ko pa tinanggal yung mga design ng kuko ko at yung nails, talaga ang sakit. So talagang tinanggal ko, pinahinga ko muna siya, nilagyan ko siya ng gamot. So this is my very, very injured, abuse, talagang murdered nails of me right now. No? So you can see, parang may butas yung kuko ko, and then may pasa. So this is usually, only girls have a very long nails, using thick nails, knows this problem. Yeah. But sabi kasi nila, tiis ganda daw. So, kaya nga lagi ko na lang tinitiis ang lahat-lahat ng aking gagandahan, yung kuko ko. Nagtitiis ako maglagay ng piluka. Hindi ko natanggal yung mga glue sa mata ko. No? So, kailangan lang talaga magtiyaga, magtiis. And the most pain I got of this beauty everyone, it's not the surgery because I don't have any surgery yet. When my nails injured, when my nails become like this, and this is the very worst, and I hate this. Ayoko talaga. And actually, my nails, all of my nails, they are murdered already. All of them, they are experienced already. So, but yeah, this is usually. And this is all about. And good night. Good night, everyone. Natulog na ako kasi natulog na si Daddy. Bye-bye. Good night.